What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and we're actually in my garage. It's a little bit of a different scenery. I can stand in my garage, there's no ice whatsoever. Today, I'm going to show you something cool I picked up. Alright, so I picked up this drill press for free. It's in really good shape. I'm just going to take a little time here and clean it up. Maybe 5/16 will do it. There's not a bolt on the bottom, is there? Oh, okay. Pretty heavy, but might be able to lean back here. One bolt free. Pretty good bolt. I'm gonna keep this. Got a ton of washers with it too. You guys keep all the extra nuts and bolts. I found it comes in handy. I've had several occasions where I needed a bolt, like when I was working on Project Zip Tie there, and I needed a bolt. I just looked through my bolt bin, and I ended up having one. Ooh, this one has a lock washer. Oh, that other one had a lock washer too. That's off. So I got a little bit of sandpaper. I'm gonna try to sand down this back piece. Clean up some of the rust here. So, why did I pick this thing up? Well, first, I need a drill press. I really want to start fabricating more stuff and working on more stuff my own, and this is a great tool to have in the shop, and the price is right. It's not the greatest brand new top of the line model, but it works, and that's the important thing. Everything goes down as it should. You got the speed adjustment up here. You got the on-off switch. You even got a little dial indicator, which is a pretty neat thing to have. So there's nothing wrong with having old tools. As long as they work and get the job done, that's the important thing. I'm gonna continue to clean this thing up, and it's gonna have a new home right here in the shop. I ended up getting this table a while back for free. I think I showed you guys that before. It's kind of a mess right now, but that's where that's gonna go. Got an arbor press over there, toolbox. Shop needs a lot of love, but we don't have any ice. Old transmission, but look, it's clean. I've been actually trying to clean up quite a bit. Got quite a bit of cleaning done underneath and everything. Get all the old leaves and stuff out of here, all the trash. Still some stuff over there in the corner, but I'm gonna take care of that. Should probably put some air in this tire before I try to take transfer case out of this. I really just gotta take the transfer case out of this, maybe a few other odds and ends, and then this is gonna get out of the garage so I have some room to work. Kinda relay out the garage so I can actually pull the Cherokee in, the good Cherokee in, zip tie, and be able to start working on it in here. So if it's raining or anything, I'll still be able to make a video and get some work done on the Jeep. That's the most important thing, because I want to hit the trails. I want to hit the trails in the Cherokee and not always my Wrangler. I want another vehicle to hit the trails in, so it's gonna be real fun. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick little video and show off my new drill press. I think it's a really neat find, and the price was right. Free, you can't argue with that. What's the coolest tool that you guys have found and gotten for a really good deal, or free, or found at a garage sale? I'd love to hear all your cool tool find stories. So leave a comment below and let me know what you found and what the price was. Let's see who has the coolest and cheapest find. I mean, this drill press is pretty neat, and free is a great price. Let's see if anyone can top that. I'd love to see what you guys find at garage sales and wherever else you get stuff for free. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching. Stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.